Do you want to represent text in nim but don't know how to? In this video we are going to cover strings, what they are and how can you manipulate them. In programming, a string is a sequence of characters that represent text data. In nim, strings are represented with quotes and are declared using the string type. If your strings has quotes in it itself, you can use triple quotes to overcome that problem, and with them, you can also go to point. Now let's explore some of the possible string manipulations in nim. Let's start by a common occurrence. What if you want to add the content of two strings together? To concatenate two strings together in nim, we can use the commercial operator. The output will be John Doe. But what if you want to determine the number of characters in a string? To get the length of a string in nim, we can use the len function. The output will be 13. And if you want to get part of a string? To extract a substring from a larger string in nim, we can use slicing. Slicing allows us to extract a portion of the string by specifying a start and end index. The output will be hello. Finally, keep in mind that strings are mutable in nim, meaning that once they are created, their contents can be changed. So to modify a string, you can just change its variable value. The output will be hello nim. These are just a few examples of the many possible string manipulations in nim. However, it's worth noting that nim's standard library also provides a string utils module with many additional string manipulation functions, including regular expression matching, case conversion, and more. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and hope I'll see you in the next video.